She's been waiting on an update. Here she comes. Got the 1-inch jack shaft. The sprockets got me the 1-inch pillow bearings. I have another one of these, but I think I'm only going to use 3. Finally got the pipe in that I'm going to be able to use. A few other little odds and ends. All right, boys, so this is what all I got here for the bike. There's your nitrous kit in there. I've got a thermostat radiator cap, a new clutch cable, a spare gasket set, this flywheel cover that's going on it. This is from the top end rebuild we just did. Some old hardware from the top end. New radiator hose kit, a jet kit for the carburetor. This sprocket's actually the one that's going to be used and welded onto those ones for the front end. Got some new grips and a kill switch. Used CDI, I've got these. Hopefully these are going to limit the shakes on the engine. And a chain tensioner, boys. And then another one of them pillow bearings in here. And I'm going to start assembling pretty much today. I think I got one of my motor mounts. I'm going to have to switch it up a bit. This jack shaft's going to have to go underneath it. So I'm actually going to have to hang it from this one. So we're going to have us a mount right in here. And it may be a 2-piece mount, but I need to be able to get it out. So most likely what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bracket that will bolt to something that I weld in here. That way I can undo it and have all the space back. So that's what I'm getting on today. I'm bending that. And I have the bottom mount in. I got to clean it up, obviously. That engine's completely rebuilt, boys. And she's fresh. We're going to polish her before it's all said and done, but here's your little mini bike update. So I'm going to get back to it. You guys watch for this video because the next time you see it, I'm probably going to be either breaking the engine in and then we're going to paint it. So once all the mounts are done and I've got the engine broke in, I'm going to disassemble it all, polish the engine, paint it, and we're going to go from there. So 4-inch stretch, if you didn't already know, there's a lot that went into that. I mean, a new plate in the bottom, and that 50 horsepower motor with a little something, a few little here and a few little things on it. And if it needs it, we got nitrous for it. So new tires. I'm gonna use the handbrake for the front end. I have it off, but the rear brake, all I'm gonna do is use the same cable, or maybe a shorter cable, and I'm gonna route it underneath. And I'm just gonna come up here and put me a rod off of this so I can put a foot brake on it. So it's gonna have a disc rear brake. Somebody's asking about that the other day. I'm actually gonna use this, but just a different hose and a foot master. You guys be sure and look out because that big red build's coming. There's the tires. It's getting 18-inch lift. Got a couple BW and Tecate projects out here. And I got another little Fat Cat video coming for you guys. So, I mean, be ready. This is going to be wild. This right here, this is going to be wild. So you guys be ready. I'm all token with one. Yamaha Big Wheel 200, boys. You want to just keep going around the house and park by my shop? Just stop with your tailgate facing that front door and I'll help you unload it. Y'all got to watch buying these Yamahas. Some of them got fucking tarantulas, dude. Like, that one came all the way from down the street in Texas.
Oh, he's going up in there.
Oh, he finna get bleached, dog.
Yeah, hit him with some starter fluid or something. God, that's a big boy.
His whole family's in there. Yeah, I'll give this a good washing before I even move it. Sweet, man. I'm excited. Man, a lot of y'all seen this the other day. Another one. Look at, got some little extras. I got the daggum. This one today. And I'm waiting on the Tecate. Let's take a walk around this. This is just I'm just projecting over here, guys. You got the garden over there, and don't worry about that. I mean, daggummer ball. I'm gonna have to push her inside tonight now. I can't leave her out overnight. She's pretty nice. Couple new tires in the back of there for it. Yeah, I gotta go through the carb. I'm not worried about that. I'll go through the carb. We'll call it brand new, whatever. So this one the other day came in, got it bought, serviced it. It's actually going to France, boys. I think this one might be taking a ride with it. So we'll see. I don't even have to service this one. I mean, it needs carb work, but he's willing to take her as is. So it's a pretty slick fat cat. Comes with some extra parts and some new tires and stuff. And man, it's a slick bike. They're not really cleaned up or anything. Just got this one running. Now got the spacers too. Jeebus, bigger than a bike. And then that big wheel got delivered yesterday. So we'll see if we can do something with it. This is what we got to get finished up today. Okay, that's what we're working on today. All right, so y'all just be ready. Sorry we're in Texas. I got to take a little break, guys. It's like the hottest part of the day. So I'm going to go inside, chill out. And I'll be back out here this evening working on the motor. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this video now because I'm a little behind. And you guys, don't forget, I got more news.